Hello all, my name is Rahman and in this video I am going to talk about templates and then I am going to create the template file and changing our home page in our website. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you remember in the last video I have modified this views file. So like in this place we were having like wow, we will be having like HTTP response. After that we were having wow, Python programming is learning fun, something like that. Okay, so I have removed that and then I have given request is equals to request and then I have created a file known as home.html and then there I have been linking this to this file known as home.html if you remember in the last video. And so if you remember one more thing, in the last video I have created a folder known as templates, and in the templates folder we were having another folder known as main folder, and then again we were having a file known as home.html that we have been creating. So I will be explaining you here. Let's open this one. This one. So I will be opening my main, and in this one we have a folder known as templates. When I click on this one we have another folder main, and in this folder we have the home.html file. Okay, so you will be asking like why I have done something like this, like I have created these folders, then why can't I give here something like this? So first of all what it does is Django looks for templates in each of your apps directories by seeking out any directory called templates, any file folder known as templates. Then it builds a list of templates and it will grab the one that matches or throw an error if none of them are. So here the problem is that sometimes templates will have the same name because you forgot the names of the templates, all templates in some other app that maybe you wrote a while ago, right? So or it's sometime someone else that you have bought in anyway that we will handle. So the way we are handling for this is to actually have a directory inside of our templates directory called the same as our app name, right? So like for example if you have any other names, okay, then you will be then it will be confused. So that's why we have created another folder, and in that folder we have given this home.html. Okay, so we have this home.html, and when I run this program, this I'm going to run this server python manage.py run server. Okay, so we don't have any, so we are getting a no error. So let's open this link, follow link. It's opening. As you can see here we have this my name is Abdul Rahman because I have written that in the main my name is Abdul Rahman. So it's getting because I have been linking this file to this home.html, like I have given main from the main folder we have this home.html. So it's printing whatever we have given in the main my name is in the home.html what I have given there. So if you remember that, if you see here we are getting that we have opened this page something like this. We can see all of these things. We'll be getting some type of these messages. Let's open our website. So I have this my name is Abdul Rahman, and whatever if I write there I will be getting here. Okay, so one more thing I forgot to say you is that Django has its own templating which is similar to the Django template, but some things are indeed different. Okay, like let's I will show you. Let's clear all of these things, and now I'm going to remove this one so we can iterate in Django template. We will iterate something like this, like we use the modulus sign, modulus symbol, and then we will be using like for tutorial in TOT or okay tutorial something like this we use in the Jinja 2. Okay, so not in the Jinja 2 also we will do something like this only, and in the in the Django, as I said, Django has its own templating, and so Django has its own templating. That's why, so it's similar to this Jinja 2 template. So what is Jinja 2 template? Jinja 2 is a modern day templating language for Python developers. It was made after the Django's template, and it's used to create the HTML, XML, or makeup formats that are returned to the user through an HTTP request. So we have this one also same. It's like also Jinja 2 template, Jinja 2 only. So we will be ending like this only, like this, and we will be getting like and for. So the way that we are doing all of this is similar to the Jinja 2 template. So now let's do with the actual examples. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, we have this one. Let's close this one. Is it still running? Let's check whether. Okay, so it's not running. Okay, anyhow, so now what I'm going to do here is, like, first of all I will give here for. So from the time I'll show you, like, Django has a template and its own templating, which is similar to the Jinja 2 template, right, as I said. But now let's do with actually. So I'm giving here flavor braces, and then I'm going to give you here the modulus symbol. After that I'm going to make some spaces. After that, for 2 for tut in tutorial. Okay, for in tutorials, and then I'm going to give here, let's give here only, and in this one I'm going to give tut, and now let's give the again, I'm going to do that this one, and now let's give and for. Okay, so now let's run this one. I'm going to open the terminal and then type python -.py. No need to type, just arrow. Okay, it's taking some time. Like, let's type here 127, and now we are getting the hello. So if you remember, let's open this one. I'm going to show you that. Let's reset this. Sorry. Okay, so when I'm clicking on this tutorials, after that we have a tutorial known as hello. So there, if you remember, I have given it title, tutorial title known as hello. So that's why we are getting something like that. So we have this hello because I have given here for tutorial in tutorials. After that we have given tut, and then I have given end for, which means that we are ending here. And still now we have opened that page, something like this. We are getting all of these things. Let's close. No, let's close this one. I have not cleared that one. Let's close that. Okay, so now let's make some more changes. So let's remove this one, and now I am going to give here like p, and then two brackets, two flower braces, this one, and in this one I am going to give here tut dot tutorial title, tut RIAL tutorial title tutorial title. After that I am going to give here like tutorial title only, and let's copy this line, because for each and every time we need to go there and type. So instead of tutorial title, I am going to give here tutorial published. Okay, and then the last one is, I am going to paste this one, tutorial content. CONTENT. Okay, so tutorial content. After that I am going to give here these tags. We have this BR, let's say, and then again this BR. Let's close this one, and now let's give here the end for. No, this one, let's give something like this, and for. Okay, so now let's I think it's still running. Okay, so it's still running. Let's reload this page. So okay, so we are getting all of these things, but which is meaningless now. So we are getting like font size is equals to hello all, welcome back. Okay, so here what we are getting is like we have this font size of this. If you remember, I will open this page again slash admin, and then this tutorials, and then this hello. So if I open here this one, we have this date, it's showing me again. I'm going to open that here. So it's showing me the tutorial content. So first of all, we have this tutorial title, and then we have this tutorial published July 7th. I have this tutorial published. After that, I have this tutorial content. So for tutorial content, I have this span style. Then what's the font size? Okay, and then it's telling me the font size, hello all, welcome back of the size, and then I have this here is how to print you can things. After that, I have pre-class language, and so as you can see here where it is. Okay, so here I have chosen a language known as Python, and after that I have written like, hey, what's my name? Here is how to print the things, and it's showing me pre-class language Python, and what's my name? It's showing me all of these things because I have given in the VS Code like tot tutorial content, and then tutorial title, tutorial published. So let's do one thing. In the models file, let's give this comment and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, and then let's go here and reload this page. So we are still not happening anything. Okay, so we don't have any difference. I think I should have done this one before, then we will be getting some more difference. This one. Okay, so that's what I want to show here. So we are getting all of these things, but the thing that I want to hear is like, with this one I want to show this hello all, welcome back. So I want to modify the content from here and do all of those things from here, and then show that one on this page like tutorial content, and then I want to show the hello all. Here is how to print the things. I want to show all of these things clearly here. Okay, so now we have all of these, right? So what I want to do here is like, instead of this one, this is there but it's ugly, so I want to be like hello all, welcome back. Here is how to print the things. So we are getting this hello, so I want to get something like that. So but it is already there, but it's in the form of HTML code. So let's do that. So where is the HTML? Home.html. So in this file we have for tutorials, we have all of these things, and tutorial content we have this one. So now for doing, if you see here, so we are getting all of the things correctly, but for the tutorial content we are not getting we are getting that in the form of HTML code, right? So for that I am going to go here, and then I am going to view here some divided type, not this one, okay, and now I am going to give here like save. Okay, and then if I go on this page and reload this page, let's close this one, and if you see here I'm getting like, I'm going to zoom this page. So as you can see here I'm getting like hello, and it's showing the tutorial content, published date of this tutorial, and then it's showing me the tutorial content. After that it's showing print what's my name. Here is how to print the things, and what's my name. Okay, so we have this one. So now what I want to do here is like, you will be saying we have all of this. I want to show that it is 127 slash admin, no, 127. Let's open this one. Let's open the tutorials. We have this hello. So in this one we have, so you will be saying like we have hello all, welcome back, same here also, but for programming snippet code we need to get something like this in this type of color, something like this. So you will be saying like, oh, we are not getting anything, we are not getting something like that, right? So for that I am going to, in this case I am going to use here some CSS and some type of JavaScript, but I don't know that how to use that. So what I'm doing is I'm just seeing and typing the code. And for tutorials we have all of this one. Let's go. What I'm doing, okay. So now, so we don't have to download any CSS you have to do. So it's done with the, so TinyMC has already done this. However, we need to just reference it. So before we can reference the static files, we need to load in the static files. Okay, so now I'm going to give here like the flower brushes, and then I'm going to give here the, not this one, this done 2 times, and now I'm going to give here and then load static static, and then I'm not getting anything. Now let's use this one. I don't know, I'm just seeing and writing to typing, and then dash dash p r i m p r i m p r i s m, sorry, okay, p r i s m, and in this one I'm going to say that we are using a CSS, something like this, space, and then we don't okay, let's give this one link link dash here ref is equals to, remove this one, link ref, okay, and then in this one I'm going to give here like this flower brackets, and in these flower brackets I'm going to give here the this one. Here I'm going to give you static, and then we don't have anything, right? Static we have. Okay, let's make here one more, and now I'm going to give here like tiny mce slash css, okay, and then slash prism dot css, okay, and then I'm going to use this one here, tiny mc. I have done this one, use dot space, and this one I'm going to give here rel is equals to, and in this one I'm going to use here stylesswt, okay. So now I am going to, okay, so we are not getting any errors. I thought that in this red color I was getting error, okay. Now we have this one. I have to give here like head and the body. Here I'm going to give slash head, okay, and then I'm going to give here the body. Okay, let's remove this one. So now we have styled the CSS and HTML also. So I don't know where it is, okay. And now here I'm going to use again this one on the top of this. I'm going to copy this one, copy this line, and going to come down and then paste this one. And instead of this one, I'm going to give a JavaScript JS, and then here I'm going to give like script, okay, and in the script I'm going to give here src is equals to, and then src is equals to, and then in this one I'm going to use here the modulus. Before that I have to use the flower braces, and in this one modulus 2 times, and now we have this modulus space static, and now again I have to use here one more time this one, and now I have to use here tiny mce slash js, okay, and then slash prism, this is the file location, dot js, okay, and then I'm going to give here in space, js is there, then this one, this one. Now it is okay. Here we have to give there something like this, Now we have to give this again. This one is C. We have script pt script. Okay, we have to give here slash script. Okay, so we got it, and then slash script, and then I'm going to give here like body. So we are showing it, we are getting here some error, so which is saying g.js expected this one. Okay, so let's don't do anything. We have this one. Okay, now let's reload this one. My mistake, I have opened this one. Okay, so now I'm not getting anything. We have this src, we have, okay, so here also I think we have to give static static tiny mce. We have also this one, and then we have also, so now let's go ahead and reload our page. So if you see here, I'm getting here print what's my name. Let's, if I go here and admin, not that one, 127 slash let's click on tutorials, and then let's go here, and now let's remove this one. Let's write another thing. Let's check whether we are getting still that one or not, and we use python, and now I'm going to give here like def print print something. Okay, and in this one I'm going to give here thing, and then I'm going to give here like okay, I think I can give here the tabs, then print the thing. Let's do this one, and then true, return true, return true. Okay, and then print something, and then in the brackets I'm going to use this one. This is our website, something like this. Okay, and then let's save. Okay, and then print a thing. Now let's reload this page. We are not getting anything. Okay, so we have not saved that from here. Now I think I will be getting that one. So as you can see here, I am getting something like I am getting a type of box, and we have the different font for these programming language, right? Okay, so this is the CSS framework. So we will be getting something like this, and because I have gone here and then went here and then make the changes, and so we are getting the font as we have here. So like we can read the tutorials, we can do all of this stuff in Django, and we can do more things. So anyhow guys, that's all for this video, and if you have any questions, give it in the comments below, and please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and thank you, bye bye.